Our first number tonight, Brian Femright, we call her Simply Divine, threw this number together, and it's called Gotta Have a Heart. Let's hear it for the girls.
This game of baseball is only one half skill. The other half is something else, something bigger. You gotta have heart. All you really need is heart. When the odds are saying you'll never win, that's when the grin should start. You gotta have hope. Mustn't sit around and hope. Nothing's half as bad as it may appear. Wait till next year and hope. When your luck is batting zero, get your chin up off the floor. Mister, you can be a hero. You can open any door. There's nothing to it but to do it. You gotta have heart. Miles and miles and miles of heart. Oh, it's fine to be a genius, of course, but keep that old horse before the cart. First you gotta have heart.
A great slugger we haven't got. A great pitcher we haven't got.
A great ball club we haven't got.
What do we got? We've got heart. All you really need is heart. When the odds are saying you'll never win, that's when the grin should start.
Now you're getting the idea.
We've got hope. We don't sail around and mope. Not a solitary cycling here, mister, 'cause we got hope.
Boys, I'm proud of you.
We're so happy that we're humming.
That's the hearty thing to do.
Ho, ho, ho. 'Cause we know our ship will come in. So it's 10 years overdue. Ho, ho, ho. We've got heart. Miles and miles and miles of heart. Oh, it's time to be a genius, of course. But keep that old horse before the cart.
So what the heck's the use of crying?
Why should we cuss?
We gotta get better, 'cause we can't get voice, and to add to it,
We've got heart.
we've got heart, we've got heart. Show me what Mother Nature can do. I'm showing you mine, you show yours. Hey, boy. Come on, boy. Show me. Great Jesus, baby. Woo, I feel like giving me out. Oh, where the hell my music? My fancy line. Where's my music, damn it, boy? Oh.
think the number should be you gotta have 10. I don't fall in that category. Neither do you. Or you do. Oh, lordy, girl, are those real? So are mine. Couple tablets a day, girl. And a bowl of Cheerios.